Doc2Help uses themes to design the skin that surrounds your content in online output. A theme controls the button display and labels, icons, colors, and much more. Some predefined themes are included for each online target, and it's easy to create a custom theme to meet your needs and preferences. You can choose a specific theme for a target by opening the Target ribbon and clicking the Target Properties button. You can also select it from the Target Theme dropdown. As an example, let's look at NetHelp, the most popular online output type in Doc2Help. With a NetHelp target selected in the Target ribbon, you can click the Target Theme dropdown and choose one of the predefined themes: accordion, responsive, or tabs. You might want to build your output with each of these predefined themes to see which design you like best. The responsive theme is particularly attractive because it adjusts automatically based on the size of your user's device. You cannot edit any of the predefined themes. However, you can create a new theme based on one of the predefined themes and make all kinds of changes to it. And later, after you've created a custom theme, you can create even more themes based on that custom theme. Doc2Help gives you a couple of different ways to create and edit themes. First, there is a theme wizard, which is especially handy for those who are new to Doc2Help. To open it, go to the Target ribbon and click Wizard. You can use this dropdown or the image gallery to choose a basic layout. In this example, we'll select Responsive. On the next page of the wizard, you can use the dropdown or image gallery to select a style. Let's pick Light. On the next page, we can again use the dropdown or image gallery to choose a theme. The choices available depend on the basic layout you selected on the first page of the wizard. Since we selected Responsive previously, we can choose it here. Later, after we create new themes based on this predefined responsive theme, we can select them on this page as well. We don't yet have any custom themes, so let's create one based on the responsive theme. To do this, we'll click this checkbox. On the next page of the wizard, you can make a few changes related to basic branding of your output. First of all, you might want to choose an icon file. The icon will appear in places like browser tabs, address bars, and favorite lists. You can also choose a small logo, which will appear at the top of the navigation pane in your responsive layout. For best results, you should keep the logo smaller than around 40 pixels high by 300 pixels wide. If you have graphics people, they can create the logo for you. To locate a graphics person in your company, look for an individual working in front of a whole bunch of computer monitors that are larger than the ones you'd find in an average professional football stadium. In addition, you can provide a URL or some JavaScript code in this field. As a result, when a user clicks the logo in the output, that URL will open, or the action defined by the JavaScript will take place. You can also make minor adjustments to the header and text areas on this page. Then, click Next. On this page of the wizard, you can easily change the title bar text, choose a different language to display the theme text, and make the theme accessible in case you need to comply with Section 508. Then, click Next. Now give your new theme a name and click Finish. And that's it. You can generate your output to see how it all looks. Another place to create or edit a custom theme is in the Theme Designer. To open it, go to the Target ribbon and click Designer. The Theme Designer is where you would go when you want to make more changes than are available in the wizard. You can choose the theme and style sheet at the top of the designer, and you can click this button to create a brand new theme based on the one shown in the dropdown. You can click the Preview tab to navigate to different parts of the design. Then when you land on a particular area you want to change, you can switch back to Design and make your edits on the right side of the designer. Depending on where you click on the left side of the designer, different settings become available on the right side of this dialog. You can also click the dropdown at the top of the right side to select a specific group of settings. For example, you might select Accessibility and change the text used by screen readers. Or you might select Buttons and choose different icons for the theme. The settings for the responsive theme are all explained in this topic in the online help. Here's another way to make changes to your custom theme. You can click this button at the top of the designer. This opens a wizard which lets you add a new style sheet from ThemeRoller. Click the link in the wizard. This opens the ThemeRoller website. From here, you can make all kinds of changes, such as editing the colors to match your company colors. You can click this link, which lets you choose a very specific color. For example, the primary color for the Madcap Doc2Help application is the hex number of 6FBFA7. We know this because we asked our graphics people, and graphics people always know about things like hex numbers. We can enter our hex number right here in this field after the hashtag. You might need to click away from the pop-up and back on the link again, but the color should be shown in this area. You can then click this color and drag it below to replace the default color. You can drag colors and change all different parts of the design. For more information about working with the jQuery mobile theme roller, see this website. When you're done making your color changes as well as any other modification you want to make, click the Download button at the top. This lets you give your new theme style sheet a name and download it to a zip file. After you do this, go back to the Theme Designer in your Doc2Help project. In the Add New Style Sheet wizard, click the Browse button and choose the zip file you just downloaded. By default, it will be located in your Downloads folder and will begin with the words jQuery Mobile Theme followed by some numbers. When you finish the wizard, your style sheet will be loaded into the Theme Designer. Notice that it's selected at the top in the Style Sheet field. If you're happy with your changes to the theme, click OK. So those are the basics when it comes to themes in Doc2Help. It's a good idea to practice creating themes, then generating some outputs with them to see how it all looks and works. And remember, if you need to make any changes, you can always go back and edit your theme.